Yep, he's gonna grab that.
Well,
Yep, just let him get your card. Yeah. There's no way I can talk to him.
well.
We'll explain to you what they're saying. I'm going to put 2 of these cuffs on you just so it doesn't hurt your arms because you're a big guy, right? Just relax. Okay.
On April 11th, 2023, police were called to a 7-Eleven store after the manager discovered that over $400 was missing from the cash register. Security footage showed employee Anthony secretly taking the money and putting it into his own pocket. He was transported to a hospital for treatment of non-life-threatening injuries. No other individuals were injured during the incident.
And he has it. We found a couple so far where you can visibly see him putting the money in his pocket.
Okay.
Let's just do.
Are you guys wanting to pursue criminal charges?
Yes.
Okay.
And then he's going to pocket that part.
Okay.
And then there's another incident. We're still looking for it.
As of right now, there's just the 2. This one and this one, correct?
He has these 2, but I didn't realize they were 10 minutes off from that video, from this video. But for right now, those are the 2 right now that I know of.
Is this supposed to be 4-9 or is this 3-9? Okay. I just want to make sure is all.
Yeah.
So this is the same incident, it's just that it's on a different...
Yeah, I'm just really trying to find on here.
Perfect. Okay.
Hey, boss. Come here for a second. Hey! Come here for a second.
My dad was in the car accident.
You're not leaving right now. You're not free to go. Come on out here. Come on out here. You don't get weapons, firearms, anything like that on you?
No.
Okay, come on over here and talk to me. You can't leave till after you talk to me. You're not free to go. You understand that? Okay. Come right back over here. Cool. Is your dad? What happened?
He was in the car accident.
Okay.
On the way to work.
Okay.
In Jacksonville.
All right. You know why I'm out here?
Nah, I have a feeling though.
Okay. You have any firearms, weapons on you?
Not me, just
Okay.
kidding.
Okay. Just put your hands kind of over there. I'm just going to put your backpack over to the side, all right? Let's set this down. Just relax your arms. Just relax, man. I just got to talk to you, okay? Let me read you something first, okay? And then if you want to be honest with me, I'll work with you. Just give me some space. I don't like
I'll be real honest. I already know right here.
All right, but let me read you something, okay? Does not mean you're going to jail or anything like that. I just have to advise you of some rights. But I appreciate honesty. You know, that's always the best course of action. So, before we ask any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have a right to talk to a lawyer for advice before you ask any questions and to have them with you during questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before answering any questions if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now, the lawyer present, you still have the right to stop. Answer at any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. You understand what I read you?
Yeah.
Okay, with that being said, are you willing to talk to me about this? What's going on here?
I've been telling everybody out here.
Can you say yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, why do you think I'm here?
Because I have took some money.
Okay, that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
Like I said, doesn't mean we're going to take you to jail, but do you know how much you took?
I honestly don't, but I can tell you the reason I took it. And
Why?
I regret. But I cannot go to jail. I promise.
Well, I didn't say you would.
Yeah, I'm
right now what I see, it may or may not arise to that. It may just be a court date, but I don't know.
Okay, so I took some money, right?
Okay.
I am currently in college.
Sure.
The film cooked me.
Yeah, I know
my
exactly.
dad, my dad is single.
Okay.
And he has to pay for college for all of us, so he's kind of struggling.
I got you.
So I owe some. In order for me to continue to go to college.
You got your ID on you?
Yeah.
I'm just going to give it this officer so we can put you in the call. So, was it like to continue your education?
Yes. That's why I took it. I probably took no less than, I don't know, probably under 1,000, I think.
Right.
So I can pay it back however, but I can't. I'm this close to finishing school.
Okay. Well, we'll figure it out. We'll see what's going on. I'm going to see what the store wants to do and everything. I do have you on video taking some of it.
Yeah,
I don't know the whole amount. Two different days that I've seen so far. Just keep your hand out of your pocket.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
I know you don't have anything and stuff like that. I appreciate you being honest with me.
Yeah, man. What I did was stupid, and I take full responsibility.
Hey, mistakes happen.
I was doing dumb, and I didn't finish.
Okay.
I just think they were gonna kick me out.
Okay.
I'm this close to finishing school.
What are you taking in school?
Computer information technology.
Okay. That's a good field to be in.
Yeah.
Well, hang tight. We'll figure out what's going on. Like I said, you're just being detained for now. You're not under arrest. I don't know if any of that would arise to anything that would need that. Sometimes what happens is you get arrested on scene, released on scene with a court date. But let me see what the store wants to do, okay? You ever been arrested before? Okay.
No trouble or nothing like that.
Is your dad really in a car wreck, or are you just trying to leave because of this? It's all right. It's not going to change what I'm going to do.
Yeah, nah, he wasn't.
I didn't think so.
I was just nervous.
I don't blame you.
I should have told him when I did it, but
Hey, mistakes happen, and I'll put it to you this way: it takes a big man to admit when they're wrong.
I need the money, man.
I gotcha. Well, bear with me. We'll see what's going on, okay? You didn't take any currencies today?
Nah.
Okay.
You're being honest, and we appreciate that. Honesty goes a long way with
It does.
right? You've already admitted, right? Don't do something stupid to make it go even worse. You know what I mean?
I was just nervous.
Don't be nervous. We're going to treat you like a man and stuff like that. I mean, I get it. Everybody's made mistakes.
Yeah, 17 years of the first marriage.
There you go.
Mistake.
But we'll see what's going on with it.
So she can do first and second. Her husband says she can't do third, which is why she can't look at me shoot, so I sent her constantly because I knew Eric needed them. Yeah.
You're done.
Did you guys want to fire him? I just want to make sure on that.
He's only been with us for like 2 weeks.
Okay. And then, do you guys want him trespassed also?
Yeah.
Oscar, November, Delta, Romeo, Yankee. First name Victor, India, November, Charlie, Echo, November, Tango.
Yeah, I'm downloading the last video if you want to
0207, 1966, white male.
let him know or take one of them out there to
Then you're on that side.
fire him
Sick.
if he's not,
He probably
if,
knows at this point, but
well, if Conrad's done interviewing him,
Yeah.
or if you want to let Conrad know that so the drawer was short like $439 or something like that, but we can only confirm that he took 60 on that day. As of right now, we're going to look at the video some more, but
not right now. It's not. Yeah, 10:15.
Okay.
All right, Anthony. You gotta come with us.
For me?
You gotta come
Stand
with
up for
us.
me? Stand back for me? Yep, he's going to grab that.
Well,
Yep, just let him get your card. Yeah.
There's no way I can talk to him.
well.
We'll explain to you what they're saying. I'm going to put 2 of these cuffs on you just so it doesn't hurt your arms because you're a big guy, right? Just relax. Okay.
So, I get the impression that they don't want to hear it. I understand the reasons what you've told me, and although I disagree with them, I understand them.
Can I like please talk to them? Like please.
Okay. No, that's
I'll bring one out here,
Hang tight.
but that conversation will be very, very short. I can tell you what they just told me. That you're fired and you're trespassed from the property. I don't believe they're going to be. Whatever store you provide is not going to be well received. You see what I'm saying?
I would like to try that.
Hold on.
I'll ask if they want to, but they don't have to.
He's going to go find out. And then we'll go from there.
yes, sir.
He's requesting to speak with somebody to plead his case in hopes of not being arrested.
Oh, no.
Well, hang on. Do you care to hear it?
Sure. I don't care. He's going to get arrested regardless, so it doesn't matter if we hear it.
Well, that's the thing. I would if it's not going to change your opinion, there's no reason for him to talk to anybody.
Cool, then we won't.
Okay.
But he's gone.
Are they double locked?
They are.
Okay. So, nothing you say is going to change their opinion. Okay? Did he give you his ID?
Yeah, I have it. I have it in my pocket.
And then you hear...
Requesting that go in the vehicle. Where's your keys at? It's in your pockets or something? Oh, okay. I'll secure this in your vehicle. What all do you have? Let's walk out by your car. We'll figure out what you need, okay? All right, man? You got that anything?
Where are you parked?
Okay, the gray car. Yep, let's head over towards that.
We'll put this in a bag. Anthony, is there anything in this I should be concerned with?
You got it for a minute.
You're killing me right now. You parked in a disabled person's park. So.
I got a handicap tag.
Okay.
Is it for you?
My little brother.
If it's not for you, then you
Not
can't
how
park.
it works.
My little brother goes to college with me.
Do you need anything from that? What all do you have on you?
My wallet, my phone.
You gonna take the wallet and phone with you? Or you want to take mine?
Take everything.
Okay. They're not going to let you take stuff like that. They'll let you take all this stuff with you.
You have a cell phone?
Got some cash on me too.
Okay.
Anything else in your pockets?
Not that I know of.
You want to take your cash with you?
If it'll help me get out.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea. Put that in your wallet. Like that?
Yeah.
You think it's possible I'll get out today?
Yeah.
We'll get you out there fast enough, yeah?
Yeah. Because they're going to, yeah, I'll explain that to you. But yeah, there's an excellent chance that can happen.
I'm going to go to first appearance. So.
Got keys?
Yep.
First appearance.
Yeah.
That's all that was.
Unless you're able to bond out. So, we'll explain that to you.
Yep.
Hang on.
Good with that.
Yeah. So, this is what happens. We go back to our station. We already got basically the information from you.
Yep.
The officer types it up. I come in, I read it.
Yep.
It looks good to me.
Yep.
We didn't miss a comment or something.
Yep.
You get taken out to the county, where you get in processed. If you're able to bond out, you can bond out from there.
How much? I asked him how much you think the bond is going to be.
I don't remember off the top of my head. Changes a lot.
Just on estimate.
Well, bond is 10% of the, well, bond, and then you can get a bail bondsman, and that's 10%, which is like $150. If you get a bail bondsman to approve to bond you out. Okay?
I'll explain it again, too.
As of right now, we're the only people who know about this.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Like my dad can't find out about this. I'm like,
Well, we're not going to tell anybody. How old are you?
I am 22.
We're not going to tell him. He would have to do a lot of research to find that. You know, no one's
He's
going to
probably going to call my phone or something. Just let it go to voicemail or something.
Oh, yeah. We won't answer any
Also,
stuff.
let me make sure that they're double locked
Yeah,
one more
we'll
time.
check again.
And there's nothing. Are you wearing a belt? No. Nothing in your socks.
I'll take this off
Good.
when we get there, too.
All right, have a seat.
Yep. Take your time getting in there. You're a bigger guy. Yep. Put the seatbelt on you just for safety. And I'm going to turn the AC right on. Yeah, I'll explain to you how you can do that. Well, as soon as we get by meeting, I'm going to take this off, right? I'm gonna just run him over there.
Yeah, I
If you
don't
need
see
me
why
for
not.
anything, that way I can take that stuff off of him.
Yeah.
Okay.
When confronted, Anthony admitted to the theft, stating that he was experiencing financial difficulties and needed the money to continue his college education in computer information technology. The store decided to terminate his employment immediately, permanently ban him from returning, and requested criminal prosecution. Anthony was arrested on the spot and charged with theft of property by an employee. Police stated that he could be released soon if he met the conditions for bail. He was transported to a hospital for treatment of non-life-threatening injuries. No other individuals were injured during the incident.